Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome to the Coaching Machine. Now, before we go ahead and dive into the material in itself, I want to give you a better understanding of how the entire course works. And so with that said, I'm going to give you the outline, the step-by-step playbook on how we are going to help you craft your own coaching or consulting business from start to finish. So let's go ahead and dive right into the outline. Okay, so diving into the Coaching Machine outline. Now, this outline is going to show you from start to finish exactly how the coaching machine is structured, so you know exactly what's going on in every single lesson. Now, the first section that we have is the coaching and consulting revolution, and you're going to see exactly how the coaching and consulting industry has changed recently and how anybody, regardless of their background or what skills they have, can get into coaching and consulting if they put in the work. And the goal there is to show you that literally anybody can become a consultant even if you don't have any experience. Now, after we go over that section, we're going to dive into the coaching methodology, and here we're going to show you the fundamentals of how to craft your coaching or consulting business. Now, it's going to be 3 different sections, and that's going to be understanding who your market is, what services you're going to offer, and the outcomes that you want to provide for your clients. And once you understand those 3 elements, you're going to understand everything you need to know when it comes to building the foundations to your coaching or consulting business. And after that, we're going to learn how you can spot market trends. And this is going to be incredibly important because in this section, you're going to understand how to look at markets in a whole different way and find opportunities that other people are not able to see. And once you are able to see markets in this new perspective, we're then going to define your market, meaning this is where you're going to pick your market or niche that you're going to create your consulting business or your coaching business around. And we're going to really distill it all the way so you can pick the niche that you are most passionate about while making sure that there is an audience that is willing to pay for your services. And after that, we're going to actually craft your minimal viable offer. And this is very important because this is where we tie everything together and actually create something that you can present to other people. And finally, we're going to go into the minimal viable service delivery. And with that lesson, we're going to show you exactly how you will be delivering on whatever it is that you promise to your clients. So with that said, this is going to be the coaching machine outline from start to finish. And so if everything sounds good to you, let's go ahead and move forward to the first section.